Well, last year I decided to do more exercise, so I started cycling. But I fell off after 1 month and hurt my back. So I'm not going to do that again. But I want to lose weight, so I'm going to stop eating burgers and eat more vegetables. I'm also going to go swimming at the sports center twice a week. My wife swims every day, but I don't want to do that because I want to work in the garden too. That will take a lot of time and keep me fit. I also want to spend more time with my friends. My kids are older now, so they don't need me at home.
I put on weight last year when I had my kids, and I want to lose it. But I don't want to stop eating unhealthy food. I like cakes and chocolate too much, so I'm going to join a gym. It's expensive, but if I pay for it, I will go. There are parent and baby swim classes every morning, and I want to go to all of those. I hope I can meet people there. I don't have many friends now because I quit my job, and I'm with the kids all day. I'd love to take a class at the college, like photography, but I can't now. The kids need me. Maybe I will next year.
I got a new bike for Christmas, and I plan to use it. I want to go 100 miles each week on it. I also want to join the photography classes at the local college. Then, I can take some great pictures when I'm out on my rides. And I'm going to spend more time with my kids. Last year, I spent a lot of time driving to work, so I didn't see them in the mornings or evenings. But now, I have a new job, and I work from home so I can be here for them. We can do fun things like making cakes and playing in the garden. It will be fun.